Okay, let's talk about find minimum in rotated sort array too. So this question is simple. So you're given the array, but the array is somehow sorted, but not exactly because it will rotate it. And you just have to find the minimum based on this uh, in the array. So you can do linear search, but I'm not suggesting you to do that. That will waste of time because the array is already somehow sorted, right? So you can actually use a binary search. So if you use a binary search, you need a low pointer and high pointer. And once you have this, you can find out the middle pointer. And this is the formula. So you use this to find out the middle pointer is because you don't want to have a problem for Stack Overflow. So the idea is you compare the middle value with against your high value. If the mid is less than height, you do something, right? If the mid is greater than height, you do something else, right? Else, you do something else, right? So you have three cases, right? So if the mid is less than height, which means height is too big, right? But we have to find out the minimum value, right? Return the minimum element. So I need to change my height to middle value. So in this case, let me find another pencil. So height will become mid, and I'm just keep doing the binary search. What happens if the mid is greater than height? Which means height is small, mid is big, right? So I can actually change my low pointer to mid plus 1, right? I'm not going to say equal to mid because mid is already high. Mid plus 1 is unknown, right? So maybe I can change to mid plus 1. So what's the last case? You can actually just decrement the height, right? Because you actually return a high pointer. So just height minus minus. So that will be the solution. So let's just look at the code. So I have the low and high pointer. So start from beginning and end. If the low is actually less than high, just return the value at low. And if not, then I have a well situation. So low less than high, and middle value is equal to low plus high minus low divided by 2. And if the middle value is too small, then I know the high should be rearranged, right? If the middle value is too big, then I just have to rearrange the low pointer. Else, I just decrement height and return the height. And that would be my solution. And let's just run it. So it shouldn't be a problem. So let's talk about time and space. So what do you think about time? You have two pointer and you always cut in the half. So the time is logged in, right? And the space is constant. You are not using any space. So that will be the solution. And if you like it, just press like or comment or subscribe and peace out.